Hello all, how are you? Welcome to my channel Diksha All in One. Today I am going to explain loan amortization. Loan amortization concept. So in this loan amortization, we will get the details of all the details of our loan. Like for example, if any person has some loan in a bank, after paying off 10 months 20 months, so if he had a doubt, if he got a doubt, how much I already paid, how much I have to pay at that particular EMI, and in the paid amount, what is principal balance, what is interest, and how much up to that EMI, how much amount I paid only as interest. Like this, if we had these type of doubts, no need to go for any bank or your where you have a loan or financial organization. Its own we can get it by Excel. That concept we can do that work by loan amortization. Okay. So for this loan amortization in Excel, we have a one template. The template will give a full details of your loan. So to get that template, first one is right click on any sheet name or sheet tab, click on insert. Now in the insert window, here we have to click on spreadsheet solutions. Spreadsheet solutions. If we click on these spreadsheet solutions, here we have one template with the name of loan amortization. So select this template, click on OK. Now we will get this template in our workbook. So here we have to enter loan amount, or what is your loan amount, or for which loan amount you want to get the details. So here we have to enter your own details, I mean your loan amount details, loan amount, annual interest rate, loan period in years, number of payments per year, starting date of loan. So first basically we need these five inputs. Later what is this optional extra payments etc. I will explain little after a little bit time. So then lender name. If we want to give these details to the other persons, then we have to enter lender name. Then once we entered all these five inputs, then we can get a payment number or EMI number, payment date, beginning balance or opening balance, scheduled payment, that's nothing but our EMI, extra payment, I will explain later, total payment, principal on that payment, what is principal balance, what is interest, after completion of that EMI or that payment, what is ending balance and what is cumulative interest. This is very important concept here. So now here I am entering a minimum some basic details like loan amount is 30 lakhs, then annual interest rate is 12%, loan period in years, loan period in years 10 years, number of payments per year generally 12, naturally for month 1, then for year 12, starting date of loan, just I am entering today's date, you can enter what is your loan starting date. So 20, 12, 20, 21. Yes, 20 DEC. We have to, while you are entering the date, we have to enter. So just I enter 20, today's date, and December 2021 year. Now, when you click on, after entering the date, when we press enter, then we can get a full details of our loan, like a payment number, then payment date, that means next month 20 January, based on why, because of I entered 20th of December, that's why 20th of January 2022 is the first payment date, and beginning balance, scheduled payment, 43,000 as an our EMI. Total payment is initially it is only total payment. Then out of the 43,000, 13,000 is approximate 13,000 is the principal balance, 30,000 is the interest. For the first initial months, as we know, interest is high, principal balance is low. If the months are going on, interest is less and principal balance will be high. Then ending balance and cumulative interest. For at any EMI, we can get this all the details of loan. 10 into 12, 10 years into 12 months, 120 EMIs. Now, suppose here we have two extra payments. What is these extra payments? For example, any person, by analyzing or by comparing his cash inflows and cash outflows, and he identified one more thousand or two more thousand is remains with him. Instead of wasting that amount, 1000 or some amount, 1000 or 2000 every month for miscellaneous expenses or spending unnecessarily, he wants to add that amount also to the EMI, to the loan. So that type of payments we have to enter here. Whatever the amount we add here, either any amount, either rupees or hundreds or thousands, that amount will be added to every EMI. Suppose here I added 1000 as an extra payment. That means I can actually my EMI, according to my these details, EMI is 43,000 scheduled payment, but if we want to pay every month 10,000 extra, then that amount we have to add here. So after entering this extra payment by pressing enter, so this extra amount will be added to every EMI. Then automatically total payment will be changed as scheduled payment plus extra payment. Accordingly, remaining loan details, principal balance, interest, ending balance, cumulative interest is changed. Loan summary also changed. Scheduled payment is 43,000. Now scheduled number of payments are 120. But by paying every month extra 1000 within 115 months, 115 months, we will complete our loan. Our extra payments are 1,14,000. So now the total interest is 2 lakhs. Okay, this is one option for extra payment. Okay, here one more extra amount here we can add. For example, at 20th EMI or 30th EMI, any number of EMI, if we got some bulk amount or some lump sum amount from other cash, from other income source, if you are interested to pay that amount also to your loan, that amount we had to add here. Suppose at the 20th EMI, I am going to add extra 1000 to my loan repayment, that is 1,01,000. That means only at this particular EMI I want to pay, I am going to pay extra 1 lakh, whatever the amount you can add. But this is for only particular EMI, not for all the EMIs. By entering this extra 1 lakh as an extra payment from this EMI, remaining values are changed. Automatically, loan summary details also changed. 120 months scheduled payment, actual number of payments by adding extra 1 lakh. 110 months, within 110 months we can complete our loan, as well as total early payments are 2 lakhs 9,000. Total interest also reduced. Okay. So by using this option, just by entering these 5 details, we can get a full details of our loan. No need to go for anyone, no need to beg or no need to ask anyone to get the loan details. Our own, we can get it. Okay. So this is a way to get our loan details. Here someone will get a doubt. Here default currency it is giving us dollars. If we want to change, yes, if we want to change, we can change the currency. For example, by right click on the sheet, or we can go for home menu, format, unprotect sheet. Home menu, home menu, format, unprotect sheet. So automatically this total sheet will unprotect. Then based on our currencies, we can change our currency to euros, dollars or rupees or anything. Accordingly, these values, currency values will change. Okay, by unprotecting the sheet. Okay, so this is a way of using loan amortization concept. I hope this is useful to you. This video is useful to you. If it is useful, if we like this video, if we this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe my channel Diksha All in One. Stay home, stay safe, stay tuned. Up to my next video. Thank you all. Please subscribe and click on bell symbol to get my remaining videos. Thank you all.